Hello again, Dr. Toby and classmates. I don't know what happened with my video, but here I leave the last two concepts, and the first one was running through a focus group, and for this one, the design should be shared to see which one gets the most vote because you try to get the best for your students and your student needs to vote for the brand. And the last one, go big. And in this one you make the banners and apps. You put your banner in apps like Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook, and the students can vote in, and you can use the the best thing for represent your classroom. And with this, I finish my presentation, and you can see I made a brochure, and I hope this helps you a lot in your classroom, and thank you very much for listening to me, and have a good day.